At my best when my skin is like glowy, has that like lit from within kind of look, and like hydrated, and like you just have that natural glow. So I always go for like serums that are super hydrating, foundation that is glowy, or even we'll do like a tinted moisturizer instead. So I'm gonna try out the Glowy Serum by GoPure. It has a hibiscus fruit extract in it, which I love the sounds of that. I'm curious how it is going to smell. Here's the little bottle. It has a triple hyaluronic acid complex in it. I don't smell any fruit or anything, which probably is good for some people too. I know a lot of people don't like scents, so it's more kind of a scent-free feel, but applies really nicely. So it kind of goes almost from like a milky look to just like straight translucent serum. My skin's got like a little bit of redness today. I think that's just from my workout this morning. Sometimes I kind of hold a flush. Is feeling hydrated after putting this on. A little bit goes a long way. Okay, my skin definitely looks more like plumped and hydrated. I might just throw a foundation on or something just to see how it wears underneath. And here it is with a foundation over top. I've got like this really kind of glowy, glassy-like looking skin from using that dewy serum underneath. Okay, bye.